Hi, I'm Narina Teknejyan, the co-founder and trainer at Youth is Power NGO and member at INSEE Coordination Council. I had a chance to deliver a training about soft skills, particularly non-violent communication and effective communication. Whatever we have witnessed, we had discussed with the participants with different backgrounds from civil society sector, from municipality, from educators and experts in the field. They had challenges that was expressed during the training. One of them is high level of uncertainty among population in their region and doubts, uncertainty toward the values, goals of international institutions based on double standards and policies that they are putting in their agenda. This is a fact that civil society sector witness as was expressed, and the result is mistrust and mistrust toward these international and institutions and international experts. Second challenge or problem is the fake human rights defenders that introduce selective approach based on geographical position, common benefits and interests, also religion and nationality. The third challenge or problem is lack of skills and knowledge about crisis communication, strategic communication, and also important to state that hope-based communication is missing here, and the results that the participants stated is ineffective promotion of the agenda, depression in general, and no motivation or mistrust in the population, in local population in general. So feeling of exclusion and injustice toward universal human rights values and universal human rights is also a result of this agenda and policies that civil society organizations and experts are witnessing